Hello, I'm Tanya.
And I'm David.
And we are out side by side.
We don't cross our chains on our travel trailer.
Stay tuned and we'll show you why. We made an RV setup and breakdown video, and we'll put the link below. It's this video. And we have made other videos where people were very concerned that we did not cross our chains on our travel trailer. We very much appreciate the comments, and we appreciate people concerned for our safety. And we wanted to show you quickly why we don't cross our chains on our travel trailer.
So the theory behind crossing your chains on your travel trailer is that if your trailer happens to become unhooked and you cross your chains, they create a cradle that will help carry the weight of the trailer when it falls down. And I totally agree with that. But on our setup, it makes no difference if we cross the chains or not, and I'll show you why. On most setups, the chains are connected to the trailer from two different points. On our trailer, they're connected from one central point right here. So if we were to cross our chains, it really makes no difference in creating an X or not, or a cradle, because they both come from the same point. So basically, if I was to take the chain from this side and hook it here, and take this chain and hook it on this side, they don't cross. So normally the X is, or the cross is underneath the ball, but ours really doesn't matter on how we hook it up or not. So we just wanted to show y'all that.
Do you have a travel trailer that has chains that meet at the same point and you don't need to cross your chains? If so, let us know what brand of travel trailer it is, and that way we can help people to understand that not all travel trailers are made the same.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with anybody else who has a travel trailer. So the theory behind crossing your train, we don't cross our train. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And with anybody, thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe our videos. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. And if there's anybody that has a travel trailer, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share.